Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI research tool which will be helpful for us to search different papers, and also you can summarize the paper using different AI tools, and also you can get the PDF of that particular paper. So this will be a better option for those who are starting your literature, that is your research paper. So especially for review paper writing, this one will be a best AI tool for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to discuss about different types of prompts, especially research prompts in ChatGPT, and how to bring out a better content for your research paper using ChatGPT. These are all the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB, here is a better opportunity for you to learn more about EV charging station design in MATLAB. So this is a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources as an input for a EV charging station, and also we are going to explore that PV and wind system with different MPPT algorithms, and we are going to track maximum power from both of the renewable energy source, and then we are going to model with EV charging station in MATLAB. So this will be going to your better opportunity to learn more about EV charging station design in MATLAB. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our online workshop. If you want to learn basics of MATLAB, so here is the opportunity to have a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. In this workshop, we are going to explore the MATLAB environment, and also we are going to make a small syntax, that is basic syntax and 2D and 3D plotting. And also we are going to explore different types of toolbox in Simulink, that is ANFIS toolbox, neural network toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, and also we are going to explore how to tune PID controller in MATLAB. So these are the important basic things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Super Symmetry AI. It's a AI powered search engine for scientific papers. Super Symmetry is a semantic search engine for RC paper and enhanced GPT and Claude. So let us explore. So this is the dashboard. Here you can see. So here before that it only uses GPT. Now it uses Cloud platform to analyze the content. So here in this you can see these are the different categories available in this particular Super Symmetry AI. So here you can see related with physics, accelerated physics, applied physics, atmospheric and oceanic physics, atoms and molecular clusters, atomic physics, biological physics. So next you can see computational physics, data analysis, statistics and probability, fluid dynamics, general physics, history and philosophy of physics, instrumentational director. So like that, these are the different categories available related with physics alone. So after that, click on Astro. So you will be having different that is categories related with Astro. So astrophysics of galaxies, so like that. Next you can see condensed, so here it's a condensed matter. Next you can click non-linear. So in this non-linear you can have different categories, the nuclear theory, nuclear experiment, pattern formation and solitons. Next mathematics. So here you can see these are the different things related with mathematics. So algebraic geometry, algebraic topology, number theory. So these are the different things you can see and explore here. So next one you can see this is related with computer science. Here you can see information technology, artificial intelligence, computational complexity, computational engineering. So these are the human computer interaction. So these are the trending topics which is present in this CS option. Next you can see that that is 𝐸_bio, that is biology, related biology, molecular neutrons, networks, neutrons and cognition, population and evolution, like that related with biology. Next you can see related with finance, quantitative finance, computational finance, general finance, mathematical finance. So these are related with finance. Next this is related with the statistics. So you can see statistics application, computation, methodology, other statistics, etc. So this is related with electrical. So here you can see electrical engineering and systems science, audio and speech processing, image and video processing, that is signal processing, systems and control. This is related with electrical engineering and signals and systems. Next here you can see economics, econometrics, general economics, theoretical economics, etc. So in order to explore, I am going to select a random topic here. So I am selecting physics. So we use it to often select electrical related one. So here I am going to select physics. So in this physics, you can see there are different options available. I am going to click applied physics. So these are the different papers related with this applied physics. So here you can see, so how to explore this supersymmetry for a, that is for a title you are selecting. For example, say if you are taken this paper, a neural network for calculating optical properties of internally mixed aerosol in atmospheric models. So here you will be having different options like, so this is the link of the paper, next abstract of the paper, PDF of the paper. So in order to get the PDF of the paper, just to click on that PDF of paper. So it will load and it will download the PDF. So here you can see how it will works out. So here you can see abstract of the paper. So this is the abstract of the paper. Here you can see aerosol influence weather and climate by interacting with radiation through absorption and scattering. These effects heavily rely on the optical properties of aerosols, which are mainly governed by attributes such as morphology, size, distribution and chemical composition. So these attributes undergo continuous change due to chemical reactions. So like that, the abstract of the paper will be given. So here comes our paper, that is our paper is downloaded, total full paper is downloaded. Here you can see the full paper. So you can download this paper also in this particular supersymmetry. And also the important thing is that this is the option GPT, Claude and find similar. So I am going to give GPT. So these are the different options available in this GPT. Still this discuss and learn option has to come. Please make a note of it. This will be one of the mind-blowing AI tool for your literature review process, especially people who are preparing review paper. This one will be a better option. So in order to explore this option, give summarize. So here GPT will working on that particular paper and it will give a summarized content. So on our average it will take more than 30 seconds. So let us wait. So here you can see the summary of the paper is generated. First I have tried out with the GPT. So take little bit longer. Then I have tried with the Claude summary. So in this Claude summary, here you can see the summary of the paper is perfectly given. So here you can see the paper introduces 𝐸 that a novel neural network approach for efficiently accurately calculating optical properties of internally mixed aerosols with the normal size distribution in atmospheric models. So like that it has generated like a, that is literature review of that paper. So thereby you can make a note of this, you can copy and paste and you can analyze the content very better in short time. So that is the important thing. So next one is that you can find a similar option. So in this similar option you will be getting, so there is no similarity related with that particular paper. So if it's so, it will show the similarities, or else you can go for search and you can search again for a paper. So like that, so you can make use of this option in this supersymmetry AI. So still it is in development process. So after that you can have an option called a discuss learn. So like that in Claude too, it also have discuss learn. So this will be a better option for you to search your paper, analyze your paper and get a better abstract, that is a summarized version of that particular paper for your literature review. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this supersymmetry AI. So this will be a better option for you to make a better research paper using AI tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.